Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking scope and gathering core prerequisites, user personas, 3-5 priority workflows, and compliance boundaries. Next, select the architecture, modular microservices with an API-first mindset and ready-made auth and storage. Then choose the low-code engine, Visual Builder, Runtime, and Extensibility API. This determines how users assemble apps. Once done, scaffold a minimal prototype workspace, wire a sample data model, and expose one API endpoint so you can iterate with real feedback. You now construct the platform spine. Implement the visual canvas with drag and drop, a property panel, and undo/redo so users feel safe. Build the runtime, deterministic component rendering, predictable state management, and server sync for collaboration. Integrate systems, REST and GraphQL connectors, webhooks, and pre-built connectors for priority services. Make sure to add versioning and migration paths. Once these pieces talk to each other, validate with automated and manual tests using representative apps. You finish by polishing user experience, templates, guided onboarding, inline docs, and keyboard shortcuts so creators move fast. Add governance, granular roles, permissions, audit logs, and CI/CD pipelines for safe deployments. Instrument monitoring, usage metrics, error tracking, rollout flags, plus backup and rollback strategies. Finally, run a pilot with real teams, gather feedback, and prioritize fixes. If things break, revert to a tagged snapshot and inspect logs, often a missing migration or permission rule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.